And in this video, I'm going to be going over Group Convert, which is another software that's designed to get you leads and basically sell your product. So what it essentially allows you to do is collect leads from your Facebook group on autopilot so you can convert them into paying customers. So how this works is if someone is interested in your group and they ask to join, those questions that you set up for the Facebook group, you can literally set it up for the Facebook group. Go download Group Convert. It's not free. There is a free trial, but it's not free. You download Group Convert, press an extension. This is how it looks. That's the extension of it. And then it's going to connect to your Facebook group. So whenever someone opts in and they enter in that data, or for example, if you're asking for emails or you're asking for, do you promise not to spam the group questions, answers to questions like that, you can integrate Group Convert, gather that data. It's going to gather that data for you, and then you can push it to a Google Sheet. So I'm going to give you an example right here in my Facebook group, which is related to, it's basically new. So this is my Facebook group. If you haven't joined yet, it's called Complete Automation, Messenger Chatbots, and Sales Funnels, where we talk about obviously Messenger Chatbots and sales funnels, but also using software to automate your entire process from start to finish, from cold prospecting all the way to the close. So I'm going to be pushing more content to go through each software that will allow you to do that. But as you can see, there's 6 people who want to join my group. So all I would do is click here. So I would click here. As you can see, there's people asking to join my group. I'm not going to show you their emails and everything. But there's 6 people asking to join my group. But if you don't have Group Convert, you obviously see there's something here that isn't usually here. This is what happens when you integrate Group Convert with your Facebook group. And every time someone, like I said before, if they try to join your group, all that data to the questions you ask before they join, it's going to be pushed to a Google Sheet. So I'm going to actually give you an example. I'm going to open up mine. View data. And I haven't even actually pushed it to a Google Sheet yet. So this is the inside. So obviously you can see this data in here. You get their user ID, group name, Facebook username, joined Facebook on December 23rd, 2009. How'd you find this group? Networking. Do you promise not to spam or promote your offers? Yes, I promise. What are you looking to learn most about the group? Chat automation. The date added, first name, last name. So then I could download this. I could push to a Google Sheet. I can clear the data. This is for Facebook groups. If you want to separate, like for different Facebook groups, whatnot, you can open the Google Sheet or you can automate Facebook. So it's pretty simple, straight to the point. You can also upgrade. You could get unlimited apps. You could get support. You could view the data like we're doing now, or you could log into the backend. I'm not going to log into the backend. But literally, all you got to do is click push to Google Sheet. It's going to collect all the data for you automatically. Like once you get it set up, as soon as people request to join your group, you just accept them into the group. It's going to push it here, and then you can push it to the Google Sheet. Pretty simple, straight to the point. And the point of this software or this extension is to collect leads so you can turn them into customers, eventually turn them into customers. That's the whole point of this. Collect leads, turn them into customers, into your Facebook group. So that's it for this video. It's a short video, pretty simple. And I'll see you guys in the next video.